What's up guys? I hope you are all well. Welcome and welcome back to Lali Lali Bali. Well, if you pay attention to the music which is played, this music is typical Latina or Spanish type of music, isn't it? Yes, because today we're going to take you to Spain. But it's located in Bali, more precisely located in Seminyak Beach. We're going to visit this colorful and amazing place called La Plancha Bali. Still accompanied by Surya on the steering wheel and our smart, super knowledgeable and fun tour guide, Gea.
Hi everyone, I'm so happy to be back and super excited to take you around in Bali to visit this happy and fun place just like me.
Solo un rayo del sol cambia el tiempo en el reloj. Hoy mis deudas reciben perdón. Pago por el show. Me siento feliz.
So Gea, what did you know about this place?
La Plancha is a beachfront restaurant and bar, nestled on the shore of the famous Seminyak surf break at Jalan Masari Beach, Seminyak Kuta, Kabupaten Bidung, Bali.
Trata de festejar, celebramos el bienestar.
It is located just a few meters from the Double Six Hotel. In Spanish, La Plancha means grilled on a metal plate, originated in Spain, which is considered to be the first flat-top grill in Bali. La Plancha opened its doors in 2010 and was the original and the first Chiringuito-styled restaurant and bar in Seminyak. A chiringuito is a small enterprise, usually a bar, selling mainly drinks and tapas.
Wow, impressive! Where did you get all those information from?
I'm your assistant, and I can search any information that you need to know. This information I found at their website at laplancha-bali.com.
Ha llegado mi tiempo ya. Voy a vivir porque si yo no soy yo, pues quién. Todos caen a mi lado. Los menos los arranqué. Me siento feliz porque vivo mi vida centrado. Te burlaste de mí, se acabó. Trata de festejar, celebramos el
In the current COVID-19 pandemic, this place has implemented strict health protocols for its employees and customers.
Yes, it is true. We have to wear masks, washing our hands, check body temperature, and maintain physical distance.
Nada me rompe, no, nada me rompe. Quiero un carro que corra más. A veces.
And within just 1 year of opening its doors, La Plancha began to make its debut worldwide in various top 10 beach bars in the world. It was considered the coolest place in Bali. It was inclusive. Just beautiful, happy people from all ages and walks of life were welcome at La Plancha. No one was too old, too young, too rich or too poor to come join the La Plancha beach parties.
Una L en mi ventana, es lo que eres mi amor. Miles de estrellas en mi cielo, yeah. Estar contigo es lo que quiero. En ti sueño todos los días, pero en el anochecer quiero que no sean sueños, que en verdad yo sea tu dueño y tú seas mi mujer. Ya le dedico la luna a mi hermosa estrella, y no escuché lo que dicen, pa' mí eres bella.
On the menu side, the Spanish food and the seafood grills stand out, but still provide other foods such as pizza and steak.
Perfecta, bebé, para mí es de cabeza a los pies. No escuché lo de la gente, bebé. Yeah, son envidiosos si lo ves. Es que te como esos, baby, me pongo travieso. Es que ese es el proceso, perfecta, confieso. Pero eres más que eso, ma. Tú vales mucho y lo entenderás.
For the drink, sangria and mojito are the most ordered, for relatively cheap prices. It ranges from 20,000 to 75,000 rupiah. You can also order alcoholic or non-alcoholic drinks.
Gastar un montón, lo sabes, mi amor. Le dedico la luna a mi hermosa estrella.
According to the creator and founder of the place, Gonzalo's and Sandra said, all we really wanted was to bring the spirit and landscape of two places we loved so dearly to life. In everything we have done, we have strived towards ultimately respect to the Balinese and the Bali Island, because this is the beauty of the place.
Existe la perfección, y si lo es, pues eres tú, baby. Y si lo es, pues eres tú, baby. Por eso quiero más de ti, amate a ti.
The brightly colored, vintage-inspired structure was designed to bring something different to Bali, whilst maintaining and respecting the natural beauty of Bali.
Tú tienes un lugar en mi corazón donde vas a estar por toda la vida, corazón. También en mi mente un montón. Es que tienes un...
The brightly colored beanbags combined with the traditional Balinese umbrellas saw the integration of the two cultures.
Le dedico la luna a mi hermosa estrella. Y no escuché lo que dicen, pa' mí eres bella. Eres perfecta por fuera.
Best time to visit La Plancha restaurant, starting from 4:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Because there is a DJ attraction that offers soul, chill and even reggae tracks to accompany us enjoying the sunset here.
Cabeza a los pies, no escuché lo de la gente, bebé. Yeah, son envidiosos si lo ves. Es que te como esos, baby, me pongo otra
For
vez.
those of you who visit La Plancha restaurant, you don't need to book. Just sit down and the waiters will come over.
Tú tienes un lugar en mi corazón donde vas a estar por toda la vida, corazón. También en mi mente un montón. Es que tienes un lugar en mi cora, vas a estar un montón. Lo sabes, mi amor. Le dedico la luna a mi hermosa estrella. Y no escuché lo que dicen, pa' mí eres bella. Eres perfecta por fuera, yeah, y más perfecta por dentro, yeah. Y no escuché lo que dicen, pa' mí eres bella, yeah. Belleza interior, de eso se trata el amor. No existe la perfección, y si lo es, pues eres tú, baby. Y si lo es, pues eres tú, baby. Por eso quiero más de ti, amate.
Well guys, thank you so much for watching. That's our trip to La Plancha, Bali. If you have any question or concern or any idea, please let us know by drop the comment in the comment section, and we will try our best to get them answer for you.
Le dedico la luna a mi hermosa estrella.
And if you want to know more detail about this place, check the description box. We put as much as information about this place, so check them out. And Gea, you have anything to say?
Yes, I hope you enjoy your trip today. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the channel for more trips to interesting places in Bali.
By the way, Gea, how many languages did you know?
I speak a few languages and I'm learning more.
Can you speak Bahasa?
Yes, of course, with pleasure.
Saya harap kalian menikmati perjalanan kita hari ini. Jangan lupa untuk like dan subscribe untuk jalan-jalan di tempat menarik berikutnya di Bali.
Can you speak Spanish too?
Sí, espero que disfrutes nuestro viaje de hoy. No olvides me gusta y suscribirte para dar un paseo por los siguientes lugares interesantes en Bali.
Eres perfecta por fuera.
I feel hungry again. What should we eat tonight?
Menurut isi dompet kamu hari ini, nasi jinggo adalah pilihan yang tepat.